Oh hey. Hey friends. Hey friends. Welcome to YouTube. Hey mother. When you boil it down, recruitment is about three things. Three things and three things only. In today's video, we will be uncovering the most important aspects of headhunting so that you can make more placements and be less average at recruitment. Hit it. Hey everyone, Dan Alexander here. I'm a professional recruitment coach coming to you with the recruitment channel that YouTube deserves. So make sure you watch until the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all of our content. Good recruitment is about three things: data, action and influence. In the world of headhunting, data is king. And there are three parts to this: the acquisition of data, the enrichment of your data, and recalling your data. Understanding what companies they're going to come from and who are the people that work in those positions within those companies is the first step. Essentially, we're talking about making lists. Recruitment is about lists of candidates and lists of companies. That's all data. Do you understand your market? So it is crucial to gather accurate and relevant information about potential candidates. The second part of that is enriching that with new information. Now that can come through headhunting, data enrichment tools like Lusher, Google, various job boards, ChatGPT. Finally, ensuring that you can efficiently recall the data and that it's organized in a structured and easy way via your CRM or other tracking tools. By effectively managing your data, you're going to be equipped to find candidates first when you need them the most. Step 2, taking action. So activity creates opportunity, and in headhunting, it's essential to take a proactive approach to create the opportunities. Once you have your lists built, are you taking enough actions to actually get hold of your candidates? Do I call them? Do I email them? Do I text them? Do I WhatsApp them? Do I FaceTime them? A LinkedIn voice note? Do I send them a recorded video? Work mobiles, personal mobiles, direct switchboard numbers, FaceTime calling with somebody's iCloud address. Gold. There are so many different ways to actually get hold of candidates. Once I have the lists, what then do I do with them? Step 3 is influence. So it's not enough to find the people and get hold of them. You must be able to influence them and persuade them that you should take the job. If we can both find the right people and then get in front of those same people, but I can sell the job where you do not, I get the fee. So ultimately, it's the ability to be able to influence that actually gets you the job. It might be that I make the list, I take action, I get in front of the candidate and they listen to me, and actually what I'm selling is not a job but the conversation. I'm selling them on the next phone call. I've headhunted that person, I'm selling them what's your phone number so that we can have another conversation. That then feeds into the data. I then enrich my data further, and during my qualification of the person, I'm then still further enriching my data to create a rich profile of the candidate. Now, the better the data is, the more the opportunity you have to actually sell to that person. These are the three steps: data, taking action, and influence. And I promise, if you focus on those three areas alone, and only those three areas, you will make a lot more placements. So guys, if you're liking these videos, they take a lot of time and effort to put together. So I'd really appreciate every like, subscribe and share that I can get at this point. So growing this audience is a huge thing for us right now on this channel. I really appreciate all your time and efforts, and I will see you on the next one.